What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video. Right now, we are taking the coils out of Jesus' Type R, Jesus Type R. Shout out to him.
Now.
How long have we been trying to do this for?
Fucking a year. I sold him my coilovers a year ago.
Yeah, he sold me the coilovers like a year ago.
We're busy.
Life's been dealing with both of us. We finally got to a point to where we can get this done. We've tried to do this before, but it was a whole hassle. We're not even gonna talk about that. But so we're almost done. We pulled out the two fronts. We pulled out one of the rears. We gotta pull out the back rear, and then we will put those into my FK8 over there. So this will not be a how-to because this is a headache. If you've done this before, you know. If not, take it to a shop. But hell yeah. So again, shout out to Jesus for doing this. We're
holler at me.
Yes, if you actually take it to a shop, take it to him. I'll even help you guys.
Whatever,
So,
like
yeah.
head gaskets, clutches, transmission rebuilds, been done.
He's done it before. 100% he's done it before. He knows what he's talking about way more than I do. So yeah, let's get to it and catch you in the next clip when we are doing whatever we're doing. Listen, before we continue on with the video, I need you guys to hit that subscribe button down below. Just real quick, we're right around the corner from 4,000, and if we can hit that with this video, I'd mean so much to me. Thank you so much. Out. All right, we're back, and we have our car here now. We took Jesus's, we moved it over there, we got all the coils off. Now, here comes the fun portion. Wish us luck, because, yeah, we got it though. So first part, we're gonna start with the fronts, then we're gonna move to the back. So for the fronts, we're gonna take off the wheel. After that, we're gonna take off, I believe it is 3 bolts total. We are gonna move the LCA to move it out a little bit so we can actually maneuver the shock and actually get it out without having to struggle. Getting it back in will not be a hard problem, I think, but taking it out, that's gonna be the hard problem just because of how long the strut is. All right, so we got the first wheel off. We found out I'm gonna need new hub-centric rings because the ones I have are not precise size at all. I bought them off of Amazon. Not recommend the hub-centric rings that were on there. Yeah, not from Amazon. That one don't get.
Project Kicks,
hub-centric rings.
They make good ones.
We're gonna definitely go to those.
Let's get this shit.
So, what do we got?
We're gonna take off
117 here.
Yep, 17 on the other side too.
And a 17 on the other side too. But for now, yeah, I'm doing this one-handed, and I'll get back to you guys when I am done. All right, so quick update.
What's up?
You're gonna take it off right here, not that's recording. Bolt right here, bolt back there,
We'll come up on the other side.
and then cotter pin. My bad, cotter pin right here and bolt. You're gonna want to take that off as well. So just working on that side. With that being done, I'm gonna go ahead and try and take this off. We're gonna pop this out. We're not worried about getting the coil in, more so getting the coil out just because of how large they are stock. Once we do that, we know we'll be good. All right, so we got Jesus working over here on this side. His side is stuck as well. So we had the same problem on the other side. We took the lug nuts off and running the same problem with the hub-centric ring being too big for the actual size of the wheel to hub. So this is what happens, it gets stuck on there. So we're going to beat around the bush, around the wheel, and get her off. Oh, pry bar. We are going to pry it off.
Pry bar here. Be very careful, we're hunting wabbits. There you go.
Perfect. Like that.
This one's not broken.
Yeah, this one's not broken, but we're still gonna take it off.
These suck.
This cheap ass Amazon. See, this is what happens when you try and cheap out on car parts. But I'd like to cheap out on body parts, but yeah, we're not gonna run these again. We're gonna take these off and get some actual hub-centric rings in there.
Sorry. All right.
All right. Fuck you. Fuck you. It's gone. All right, we're back. So we somehow pulled this out. Shout out to Jesus, he's the GOAT. Hey, we pulled this out without having to move the LCA. That's insanity. So we're now putting in the BC and we're gonna basically do everything backwards. We're making good progress right now, so we're just gonna keep it rolling. Just keep it rolling. But yeah, I don't know how we did that. This is the gut right here, for real, for real. All right. Oh man.
That's because that axle came out all the way.
Yeah,
That's
definitely, definitely.
Okay, now the trick is
getting that back in spot. Yeah.
well, you kind of got to feed this at the same time and try to catch it from scratching.
Yeah. Okay, let me pause this and help
I
real
want to
quick.
scratch your fender.
All right, so working on the driver's side, and we found out that my tie rod is blown, so we're gonna have to get that replaced here as soon as possible. But other than that, we're just trying to get this shock out. We're doing pretty good. We got all the bolts wrong with this side. We'll get this out, and then we'll move over to the back side. We are finally finished. Look at that.
Low to the earth. People's feelings get hurt.
For real. Oh man, that looks good. Damn. All right, yeah. So it took us a couple hours. We have it done. Shout out to Jesus again, getting the fitment right. We took the old coils out of his Type R, put them onto mine, and yeah, dude, I'm not gonna lie, this phone is doing great for low light right now. So yeah. Oh, dude, that looks so good. Getting in my driveway is about to suck, but totally worth it. We finally did it. We got clothes on here. Also, shout out to Jesus again. He gave me his spoon mirror caps. Well, spoon mirrors, so they're on there now. And yeah. So now we're gonna tidy up, make sure everything's copacetic, all that jazz. And it's pretty late, and I kind of want to get home, so I'm gonna wrap this up, and I'll give you guys a walk around tomorrow, and we'll go from there. But Jesus, look at that. The fitment is fire. Fire.
There it is.
Oh, there it is. Yeah. We're missing this, and we found it.
Well, you got it.
Well, we don't need it now. Well, I'll put it in later. Maybe tomorrow morning or something, but right now I'm just gonna enjoy the low life. Welcome back. Before I show you guys the final product in the daytime, it's been 2 days. I've basically washed the car. I was gonna go check out this car meet yesterday, but I changed my mind last minute. So here we are today. The car is fresh, washed. The car is super low. I've driven it a few times, and yeah, it's definitely a different ride now. But without further ado, let's check out how low the car is. Boom. So as you can see, it's a lot lower. We're tucking in the front, we're tucking in the rear. You see where I hit a curb right here, but look how low we are. This is how low we are. That's touching the ground. But I know it's because I'm on an incline, but still it's pretty low regardless. It's not bad though. I'm pretty happy with it. Also, shout out to my boy Jesus for getting me these grills with the cutouts, and also gave me a new shift knob as well, and the spoon mirrors, the anti-glare ones, bro, those are so clutch. Yeah, there's the shift knob. We got the Brom shoulder for the protecting the seats from the seat belt. But man, I wish I can give you guys a POV drive, or kind of like a idea of what it feels like when I'm driving it. I wish I can let you feel it with me, but yeah, it's a lot stiffer. It's a lot fun. The car feels like a go-kart in some ways. It's pretty cool actually. I'm definitely gonna leave it at this height for a bit. I kind of like the slam look. We are hella scraping. I don't know if you can see under there too well, but you can see my undercarriage is kind of low. It's like drooping, and I'm always catching that. But I eventually thinking about taking off the undercover and going from there. What is it called? Not undercover. You guys know what I'm trying to say. Forget it. You know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Again, shout out to my boy Jesus for coming in clutch with the coilovers and helping me install them. Again, if you guys need some help with some stuff and you're in the Austin area, he knows the Civic platform pretty well. So you can go ahead and hit him up if you guys have any questions or need help getting something installed on your car. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning into the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd much appreciate it. We are right around the corner from 4,000. So let's go ahead and hit that 4,000. We are right there. We're literally right there. We can do it. But again, appreciate you guys. Catch you guys in the next one. V2 for the Civic Type R is on a great trajectory, I feel like. So we're just going to keep it moving. So yeah. Later, guys. Catch you on the next one.